If your stairs start making noise on their own, don't investigate. Don't call out and don't turn the lights on. Because the sound isn't footsteps, it's something shifting its weight. If the air at the top of the stairs looks wrong, like it's folding inward, step back. Because sometimes the top stair isn't a landing, it's an opening. And what comes through is too big for your house. You'll hear the wood split first, then the walls will start bowing outward. The ceiling will crack as its legs force their way in, jointed and bending wrong, scraping holes through the floor above you. If you hear wet breathing and feel the house shake with every step, stay still. It hunts by collapsing the room you're hiding in. Sleep tight.